Good morning, 7th class. We are doing rules of exercise 7.2. In last module, we did two rules of exercise 7.2. Now we will start third rule, that is SAS. SAS stand for side angle side. Okay. So in this rule, according to the rule, two sides should be equal and one angle. Okay. But angle will come between two sides like this. If this is 5 centimeter and this angle is 30 degree and this is 4 centimeter. This is also 5 centimeter. This is 30 degree and this is 4 centimeter. Okay? You will write in triangle ABC and triangle PQR. AB, this AB side is correspond to PQ. It means AB is equal to PQ. AB is equal to PQ. Okay, corresponding sides are equal. Then now after AB there is angle B. Angle B is equal to angle Q. Both are of 30 degree. Then BC is equal to QR. BC is equal to QR 4 centimeter. So these values are given in the question. So you will write here reason given. So by side angle side, by SAS, triangle ABC congruent होगा triangle PQR and proof. ठीक है, this angle should be come between these two sides SAS. If there is 30 degree angle, let's assume there is 30 degree angle. So angle B, if you are taking here angle B is not equal to angle R, because this angle R is coming this side. This angle is not between these two sides. Okay? So this angle should be between these two sides like this. 30 is between 5 and 4. This 30 is also between 5 and 4. Now fourth rule is RHS. Full form of RHS is right angle hypotenuse side. So according to this rule, one right angle, one hypotenuse and one any side should be equal. Okay? In this triangle, hypotenuse is 7 centimeter. This is 90 degree angle. This is 8 centimeter. This is also 7 centimeter. Sorry, 8 will not come because hypotenuse is the biggest side of the triangle. So we will take less than 7. I am taking here 6 centimeter. This is also 6 centimeter. Okay? According to the rule, there should be 90 degree angle. This is 90 and hypotenuse should be equal and any side between these perpendicular or base, any one side should be equal. Here bases are equal. So you will write in triangle KLM and triangle DEF. We will write here angle L is equal to angle E. Then reason is each 90 degree. Okay? Then KM, this KM is equal to DF. KM is equal to DF. LM is equal to EF. LM is equal to EF. These sides are given. Okay? So by RHS rule, triangle KLM congruence है triangle DEF. Okay? So this is the fourth rule. Now after this rule, we will start exercise 7.2. 7.2 exercise, first question is, which congruence criterion do you use in this? Congruence criterion means you have to use congruence rule that we did. SSS, SAS, okay, RHS. So in among these four rules you have to use which rule will come here. In this question he is saying AC is equal to DF. This AC is equal to DF. AB is equal to DE. this AB is equal to DE, and this BC is equal to EF. BC is equal to EF. ठीक है, all are corresponding parts and three sides are equal. So which rule is using here? By SSS rule, both triangles should be congruent. So you will write here in solution, you will write here by SSS rule, triangle ABC congruent triangle DEF. B part. In B part, ZX is equal to RP. ZX is equal to RP. RQ is equal to ZY. RQ is equal to ZY. And angle PRQ. PRQ between this angle, we will make angle on R and on Z. Angle R is equal to angle Z. So which congruence rule we will use here? देखो, side angle side, side angle side, corresponding parts are equal and angle is between two sides. So here side angle side rule we will use here. So in solution you will write by SAS rule, triangle LMN congruent है triangle GFH. Answer. C part is angle MLN is equal to FGH. L is equal to G. L is this and G is this. Angle M is equal to angle F. Angle M is equal to angle F. ML is equal to FG. ML is equal to FG. Now which congruence rule is here? देखो, angle side angle है ना, angle side angle, side is between two angles, तो ASA rules we will use here. By ASA rule, triangle LMN congruent है triangle GFH. D part, EB is equal to DB. This EB is equal to DB. देखो, two right triangles are, two right angle triangles are there, and in these two right angle triangles EB and DB both are hypotenuse, है ना. What is hypotenuse? Opposite 90 degree, side of opposite 90 degree angle. So this is 90 degree angle. What is the opposite side? EB. So EB is the hypotenuse of this triangle, and this is 90 degree angle. Opposite of 90 degree is BD. So hypotenuse the hypotenuse of this triangle is BD. So EB is equal to BD. 190 degree angle is given, and this EA is equal to BC. So their RHS rule we will use here: right angle, hypotenuse, and any side. So by RHS rule, triangle ABE congruent triangle CDB. Answer. Second question, you want to show that triangle ART congruent triangle PEN. आपको ये show करना है. You have to show this triangle that they are congruent. First A part, if you have to use SSS rule, then you need, वो कह रहे हैं if we are using SSS यानी side rule, then what we need? AR is equal to which side? If we will use ASS, so we will check from here this AR is this, AR is equal to PE, है ना, AR is equal to PE. Then RT, this is RT, RT will be equal to EN, RT is equal to EN. Then AT, this is AT, AT will equal to PN. Like this you have to write equal parts of these sides from these two triangles. B part, angle T is equal to angle N. Angle T is equal to angle N. Use SAS. SAS. Then you have to show which two sides are equal of this triangle. ठीक है? No. Now, angle T is equal to angle N. Angle is given. You have to find equal sides. So, this angle will come between two sides. देखो, angle T this, angle N this. So, which two sides we will take? This one and this one. And from here, this one and this one. This angle is coming between these two sides. है ना? So, RT will be equal to, this RT will be equal to EN. You can take here also RT, यहाँ से चेक करेंगे RT is equal to EN and PN this PN equal to AT. ठीक है, because you have to show these triangles are congruous, then you will take corresponding parts like this. So SAS देखो EN and AT, EN and AT and PN RT, the two sides coming here, this angle is between coming these two sides. Okay, so this is SAS. Now C part, AT is equal to PN, you have to show ASA. One side is given, this one side is given, you have to show two angles here. Okay, which two angles will be equal? देखो, which side is given? AT is equal to PN. This AT is equal to PN. This side is equal. So this side will come between which two angles? This side AT and PN will come between these two angles. AT and PN, yes. So देखिए, AT this side is coming between which two angles? Angle A and angle T. ठीक है, so angle A and angle T, and this PN side is coming between which two angles? P and N. ठीक है, तो we will take these two angles. So angle A will be equal angle P. देखो, angle A will be equal angle P. Angle A is equal to angle P, and second is angle T is equal to angle N. Angle T is equal to angle N. So like this you have to write corresponding parts. Third question, show that triangle AMP congruence है triangle AMQ. देखो, two triangles are there, AMP and AMQ. You have to show that they are congruent by which rule? So first is PM is equal to QM. If he is saying PM is equal to QM, then find out the reason why they are equal. देखो, PM is equal to QM. It is given in the question already. Two lines are there in the figure. So it means PM is equal to QM. It is given. So reason is given. Second, angle PMA is equal to QMA. Angle PMA, this angle, and QMA, this angle. They are equal. Why? Because this is also given. देखो, बना रखा है आपका फिगर में mark. So this is given. The reason is that. AM is equal to AM. AM, देखो, this AM is coming in this triangle also. In this triangle AMP, and AM coming in this triangle also AMQ. ठीक है, दोनों में AM आ रही है. तो if it is 5, तो in this triangle it is also 5, and in this triangle also 5. So it means it is common. So what is the reason why AM is equal to AM in both triangles? Because it is common. Now triangle AMP and AMQ, why they are congruent? By which rule? AMP and AMQ, देखो, side, angle, then side. Side, ये side इस side की equal है. This angle is equal to this angle, and this side is common. It is coming in between the in both triangles. So side, angle, side. By SAS rule, it is congruent. Fourth question, in triangle ABC, angle A is 30, B 40, C 110. In PQ or P30, Q40, R 110. As are both triangles congruent by AA rule? Angle rule? No, it is not possible. So its answer is no. Why? We can make the triangles using these angles, there uh, they will be similar, but they will not same in size. Okay, so this is not possible in congruence triangle AAA, angle angle angle. In some cases they can be same in shape and size, but in some cases they cannot be. So ठीक है, but congruence में it always you have to show same size and same shape, but using this rule in some cases it is possible and in some cases it is not possible. So its answer is no. Fifth question. Two triangles are congruent. These two triangles are congruent. It is given in question. He is saying the corresponding parts are marked. Okay, corresponding parts are marked. We can write triangle RAT congruent which triangle? ठीक है, अब देखो ये ध्यान से देखना. We have to match only corresponding parts here. Now, because both triangles are congruent, so all angles are equal and all sides are equal in this triangle. We can use angles also or we can use side also. Three angles are given, so by using these three angles, we will find out name of the second triangle. You will write here angle R. This angle R is equal to angle W, है ना? So angle R is equal to angle W. Don't write, we will write direct answer only. ठीक है? So we will write this triangle, triangle RAT, congruent triangle. अब ध्यान से देखना. R है first. This is R. Here one. This angle is equal to this angle क्योंकि here is one line, here is one line. Corresponding parts are marked. So angle R is equal to angle W. So what is the corresponding of R? W. Now next is A. Look at here A. This A angle is equal to angle O. Two lines and two lines are, two signs are there. So angle A is equal to angle O. So here but which letter will come? O. Next is T. T is here. Three lines are there. Which is the corresponding of T? That is N. These three lines are. So angle T is equal to angle N. So here N will come. So it means triangle RAT congruent to triangle WONK. Sixth question. Complete this. Triangle BCA congruent with triangle. ठीक है? In this question also corresponding parts are equal. So we will check here. देखिए there is 90 degree angle है ना? So we will use here RHS rule. Right angle hypotenuse side. देखो कैसे? This angle will be equal to this angle because both are 90 degree triangle, 90 degree angle. So you can give name. This is angle 1. This is angle 2. You can give name like this also. You will write here angle 1 is equal to angle 2. Or you can write this angle BAC. Angle BAC is equal to angle BAT. And which region you will write here? Each 90 degree. ठीक है? Now second you want hypotenuse now. So this is the hypotenuse. BT is equal to BC. देखो two lines are there, two lines are there. It means BC is equal to BT. This is hypotenuse. BC is equal to BT. And third, this side AC is equal to AT. It is also given. One line is here, one line is here. AC is equal to AT. Reason is both are given. We need only three things. So by RHS rule, triangle BCA congruent होगा triangle. अब ध्यान से देखना BCA. BC means BT. BCA means BTA. BTA. Answer. Second part. there are two triangles given, you have to find congruence of QRS. ठीक है, अब देखो in these two triangles which rule we will use here. Check it here, this side equal, this side equal, and this side is equal to this side. So three sides are equal, so SSS rule we will use here. ठीक है, अब देखो QR is equal to PT. QR is equal to PT. This one and this is also one. Now second is this two lines and these two lines. It means TQ is equal to QS. TQ is equal to QS. And third is this. This is 3. This is 3. PQ is equal to RS. PQ is equal to RS. And what is the reason? Given. These all corresponding parts are given in the figure. So by SSS rule, triangle QRS, अब देखो कैसे लिखेंगे नेक्स्ट ट्रायंगल का नाम, QRS, ये कैसे जा रहा है आपका QRS, फर्स्ट वन लाइन, देन थर्ड लाइन, देन सेकेंड लाइन से जा रहा है ना, वन लाइन, थ्री लाइन एंड सेकेंड लाइन. सो ये भी हम ऐसे देंगे, दिस इज वन लाइन के बाद आपको थर्ड लाइन देंगे, दिस इज थर्ड लाइन, दिस इज सेकेंड. सो ये इस तरह से जाएगा आपका TPQ. So triangle QRS is congruent to TPQ. Answer. Ninth question is, if triangle ABC and triangle PQR are to be congruent, name one additional pair of corresponding parts and what criterion did you use here? Which rule you will use here? In this question, he is saying that triangle ABC is congruent triangle PQR. ठीक है? And two pair of corresponding parts are given. You have to find third pair of corresponding part. ठीक है? Two which parts are given? Angle B is equal to angle Q. Angle B is equal to angle Q, and this angle C is equal to angle R. ठीक है? Now these two parts are given. You have to find next third corresponding part. अब देखिए, these two angles are equal. So between these two angles, this side will be equal because both triangles are congruent. So we will take this BC is equal to QR, क्योंकि हम बना रहे हैं ASA angle side angle. So we will take BC is equal to QR. This is the third part. By using this third part, by ASA rule, triangle ABC is congruent triangle PQR. ठीक है? This is the third part. We will take this side between these two angles. Then we will use here by ASA rule.